It's your girl Shanita Nicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you are already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today, I am super duper excited. We are going to be talking about how to make this really cute dream board or vision board bingo card inside of Canva. Ooh, but first, please watch into the end because I have some more really dope ideas that I think you guys will really like. So let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. So it is about to be 2025. So let's get to creating our dream boards, all the things. There's a new thing called a bingo board. So I am inside of Canva and I'm going to search bingo card, okay? And when I search bingo card, I'm going to scroll down and they have approximately 429 templates, and you literally can search and see what looks good for you. I have not done this yet, so this is my very first time. We're going to be doing it together. So I'm going to just scroll and see what y'all know. I'm loving this one. I'm going to scroll and see what catches my attention, but these are just some bingo board templates that you could use if you don't want to create it from scratch, and I could possibly create it from scratch if I wanted to as well. Okay, so here are more bingo cards. These look so cute. I am loving it. So I'm going to scroll until I find something that I really like. We're going to go ahead and select it and start editing it. Okay, editing it. Okay, I think I'm going to just go ahead and customize this one just for the sake of the video. Okay, so this one happens to be 5 by 5. However, you can make this as big or as small as you want. You can print this out large, put it on your wall. I mean, it's so many different things that you could do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the actual wording on it in the background. We're going to do a vision. We're going to duplicate this. Now I'm going to put 2025. I'm just trying to figure out the wording, and I'm still going to change it after this, but play around with what works good for you. Okay, for sure, I'm going to take some of these away because this is so pretty, but it's definitely giving baby shower. And then we can change the colors, but first let's pick the background. Okay, so the background, y'all know I do want this to be some shade of pink, and let's see how they have this set up. You can do this from scratch, or you could use something that's already made. Okay, so they already have this as a board. You see that there? They have it already as a board. You can change the color of the border. You can change the thickness of the border, the table spacing, the fonts, all the things. Okay, so let me figure out how I want to, what words I want to put at the top. Okay, so I wanted to say 2025 Dream Board Bingo Card, and I want to change the spacing. You see how big the spacing between the letters are? That's perfectly fine if you like that, but I want it to be a little bit closer. I'm probably going to play around with these fonts. Once again, this is my first time doing it, so we are just playing around with it and playing around with the colors, all types of things. Okay, I'm for sure gonna probably add some effects like some borders or something, but I want to see, let's see if we could change. I want the 2025 to be really bold. Yes, I want it to stand out and be bold so we can know we not coming to play. So I went to Elements and I typed in 2025, and I'm trying to see what my style is for the vision that I have for this. Okay, so play around with it. If you guys are new here, I duplicate a lot of things so that I can come back to it and see how it looks. Okay, so that's something that I do a lot of. I'll duplicate it, and then I'll come down to the bottom to grid view, and then I'll compare the different things that I make, okay? That's just a preference that I like to do. So now I am narrowing down the 2025, playing around with the colors, the filters, etc. This one looks cute too, but this one looks a lot better. It's more bolder and direct. And this is literally just how I go through my process, okay? So sorry if I'm not going fast enough for you, but this is just a real process of how I create things, okay? So now that I have what it looks like for right now, I could always add or change or do whatever. But right now it's a 2025 Dream Board Bingo card. Now here is where it gets really fun. Now you can literally put photos in here, photos of yourself, pieces of your vision board, all types of things, or you could literally just put the words in, okay? It's so many ways you could do it. I am just going to, I'm changing the name of it, 2025 Bingo Card. And then I am just going to, for right now, put in words. Is this my true bingo card? No, I'm just going to fill it out, and then we're going to go over some of the options. I'm going to change the color right here to pink, and we're going to change the line spacing. And I'm going to put grateful. Okay. That's going to be the free bingo card. You could put thank you, God. I'm here. I woke up. You could put whatever you want. Oh, got to be careful with that. You can put whatever you want in the middle. But this is basically the freebie. Okay. So you can put whatever you want right there. But now I'm going to put things that people could possibly want. So we're going to say publish a book. Okay, we're going to put make 10K a month from my side hustle. Okay. And then we're just going to fill it out. I'm going to just make up some things to put in, and we're going to come back, okay? Okay, so I filled all the words in, and like I said, I can actually go to the template and I can change the colors if I want. If I want it to be darker so you could actually see it a little bit, we can change the thickness of the border. Oh, that's the outside. You can't even see that one. Oh, that's for that individual one. Okay. That is for each individual square. So I'm going back because I did not want to change each individual square, but I just want to let you know that how they made it is each individual square that was changing. So I went ahead and I can select it all. I could play around with it. I can do all types of things, change the font, but this looks good to me. I could also change the color. So let's say if I want to change everything that's that kind of grayish blue to black, I could do that so you can see it a little bit better. We can change where the board actually is. Okay, now this isn't per se my bingo cards. I literally just made some things up. Okay, some of these are actually really good and they should be on my bingo card, but I haven't thought about it to say, oh, this is my real bingo card. So, but you guys could take some of these if you think they're really cool. I think this is super dope. And if you want, we could go to elements and we could get some flowers. We can get some quotes, some positive affirmations. We could put whatever we want on it, or we can literally just keep it plain. It's up to you. We can put, like I said, some actual photos of, let's say, like New York or books or 100K. We could put YouTube. We can put stocks. We could put all types of things around it so it could look more dream boardish or vision board, however you want to, whichever route you want to say. But I think that this is super cool. and just a really good idea to get us focused and into the new year. I think that this was a really good idea. Shout out to whoever was the original creator of it, because that's a great idea. Now I'm actually going to grab some of the stocks and the books and the states and swimming, and if it was a graduation on there, you could put a graduation hat. But I'm just going to grab some of the elements that you can add onto your vision board, and look how cute this is. Okay, I think this is so cute. It has the 2025 Dream Board, bingo card, money, books, running at marathons, swimming, stocks, cakes, sewing, Florida, more books, New York, and then all the wonderful things. I think this is super cute. And you guys can pause it to see if you want to read what the bingo cards say. But I absolutely love it. And like I said, you can literally print this out, or you can do it virtually. And then what you could do is you can do it, like I said, virtually. And once you go ahead and do the things, you can print them out. I mean, you can cover it up. But I think this is absolutely adorable. I decided I wanted to print it out, and we're going to use just any printable vinyl, but I really like this printable vinyl. This one is from Hobby Lobby, but I will also give some links of some other ones that you could use. I love this one as well. This one is glossy, and this one is just regular printable vinyl. And we're going to go ahead and print this out and put it on some cardstock, okay? So I printed it out, and look how nice this looks. This looks really, really good. And I do have some cardstock. I will link everything down below. But you know what? This also could have went on magnet paper. So I have magnet paper that is printable, and I could have put it on adhesive so that it could go on top of our refrigerator or anything. So you could get really creative with this project. Here is the printable inkjet magnet paper that I could have used. But we're just going to make it really simple. I think this is super cute. I am going to, this looks so good, y'all. Look at the pigment of this paper. Yes, I'm going to just go ahead and peel it off. And then if you know me, once I get this part off, I'm going to show you how I put sticker paper on things, okay? What I do is I peel a portion of my sticky paper back like this, okay? And then let me scoot you guys in. Okay, once I peel that portion back, I go ahead and align it. And I want to make sure it's completely covered. Okay. And every paper is different, but you want to go ahead and align it completely across. Okay. And then every paper is different. Some paper is better to use than other paper. And then you go ahead and make sure that it's flat. Okay. And roll it. And make sure as you're rolling it, just make sure that it's adhering with no issues, okay? Now my glossy paper would have done way better than this. But I only have a few more sheets of that one. I got in the groove right there. That was working really, really good. Just roll it on down. Okay. And now you have the bingo card. And it's nice and smooth. Okay. And I also have white cardstock if I wanted to use white cardstock. And if the edges are not like how I want, you can cut those off. But this looks super cute. And now you have yourself a bingo card. But look how cute that is. Super adorable. Okay, like I am in love with it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So let me know if you thought this was helpful, something that you could do. You could have a bingo card party, like how they do vision board parties or dream board parties. This is just something that could be really dope. I love it. You could also do this for, oh, I got a couple other ideas. You can do like couple date night bingo cards. You could do mommy and daughter bingo cards. You can do mommy and son bingo cards or daddy and daughter bingo cards. Family bingo cards. I mean, the possibilities are endless, but I absolutely love this idea. Let me know what you guys think down below, and we can make some other ones. I can make one with Maddie. Just, ooh, tons and tons. Oh my goodness, it could be a Christmas gift. Okay, this could be a Christmas gift idea for dates you could do with your kids or your spouse, and then it could be part of the Christmas gift. You guys print it out and then play the game, and as you guys do it throughout the year, y'all can have a bingo card. Oh my goodness, that is such a good idea. But anywho, yeah, y'all, I thought this idea was just really, really dope. So I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know thoughts down below. But I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye.